Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear or remove filter in Excel. Let's get started. To begin, let's quickly identify if a filter is active in any column. Look out for a small funnel icon in the drop-down buttons. Unlike the days and season columns, if the month column lacks this icon, it means no data has been filtered there. Now let's move on to the process of clearing filters. The primary method involves a single click to clear filters across all columns simultaneously. Navigate to the Data tab, find Sort and Filter in the section, and click Clear. All filters are removed, and your data is fully visible. Alternatively, you might prefer clearing filters column by column. Undo the changes to restore the filter, and let's go through the steps. To clear filters column by column, click each drop-down button and select Clear Filter From. This allows you to deactivate filters in each column individually. Employ this method to turn off all the active filters in your table, revealing the complete dataset. Finally, if you wish to entirely remove filters, including the drop-down buttons, follow this simple step. Select the cells with the arrows, go to the Data tab, click Filter, and the drop-down arrows disappear. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.